Okay, the next solution we'll be talking about is jigs and fixtures. Jigs and fixtures is actually a solution that is very commonly used by customers, which honestly find out about this solution after having purchased a machine. Typically, that is what happens. The idea is quite simple. You're at a tool house, you have a prototype, you need to do some testing on that prototype, and now you need the tools to hold that part in place. Conventional tooling can take up to a few weeks to create, but you have this object printer right next to you in your facilities. Why not just print the jig or the fixture on the object machine, and then use that jig or fixture to hold the prototype that you're developing in place? So it's really a very fun, sort of like a fun solution that we offer, where rather than use conventional tooling to create those jigs and fixtures, just print them using object technology.
Mass production methods demand a fast and easy method of positioning work for accurate operations on it. Jigs and fixtures are production tools used to accurately manufacture duplicate and interchangeable parts. Jigs and fixtures can also be used as a special system, external component to facilitate handling, calibration, and simulation of specific actions such as vacuum calibration or positioning stickers on the power supply panel of the Alaris printer. The ability to design special jigs and fixtures, print and use them, makes life easier for Objet employees. Special jigs are being designed and printed to help manufacturing processes such as the axis alignment during assembly of the Eden and Connex line, and also for facilitating simple jobs like opening the Eden doors. Throughout the years, Objet employees have created useful jigs for printer maintenance. The simple but handy Eden door opener shown here opens the hex screws of the Eden service door. The specially built UV lamp jig locks a UV sensor in a rectangular box that is easy to place on the printer's tray. The specially designed vacuum calibration jig is printed as 3 different parts in Full Cure 720 that are then assembled by means of a slider. The transparency of the Full Cure 720 enables a water-based pressure gauge to be used for the printing head's vacuum calibration. The analog pressure gauge is connected to the printing block to measure the pressure when in purge state. Both are switched using a regular tubing faucet. Objet also designed a calibration jig for the orthogonally setting between the X, Y, and Z 3D printing machine axes. The design goals were to make production more effective and to significantly improve machine performance while keeping the integration time as low as possible. Several key areas were identified where Objet was useful: function, work process efficiency, and fit and form testing. The jig was designed to attract the bearing shaft into the proper location using strong static magnets. In order to have precise, repeatable shaft positioning, the magnets were to attract the shaft into a V-lock. We printed all the parts involved in the bearing attraction mechanism before we had even completed the jig design. The parts were printed using Objet's Vero Blue material. This enabled us to perform a fully functional test for the attraction mechanism the day following the model's completion. Printing the entire jig enabled us to test the mounting of the jig on the printer before hard tooling started, reducing the cost of error. To sum it up, these jigs are excellent examples of how you can use the 3D printer as a design and manufacturing platform to create jigs and fixtures that facilitate your daily work needs and save you time and money in your projects.